Hi everyone, this is Sunny Kumar from Mathematics and Computing Part 2 from IIT BHU, and I am back again with Hacker Earth February Easy questions. And today, and the question name is deleting arrays. Okay, so let's move on to the directly to the problem statement. Basically, in this problem, we have been given an integer n and k. N is going to denote the number of elements in the array, and k is an arbitrary integer. And there are some operations that we have to perform. So what are these operations? In one operation we can have to choose, we have to choose an index I, delete the ith element and delete the k elements, first k element starting from the index I plus 1, and we are also going to delete the first k elements before starting from I minus 1 to the left. Okay, so how we are going to do this in minimum number of operations to delete all the elements of the array. So let's move on further to understand this question and to approach the answer. So our approach of this question would be greedy algorithm. So n is going to denote, okay, number of elements of the array, okay, and k is an actually, okay, let me write arbitrary integer that we have to choose. Okay, sorry, we are not going to choose the k is given in the question, and we have to delete the first k elements starting from the index I plus 1 to the right of it, and also to the I minus 1 to the left of it. So in one operation we can delete 2 into k plus 1 elements. So to approach for the question, to find out the minimum number of operations to delete all the elements of the array, so what could be our approach? So case 1, let me write case 1, let if k is going to be greater than equal to n, that is, suppose let's n would be, and in this case let's let assume here that, sorry, n is here 5. Okay, and what would be, let's assume k as here 8. So in this case, note that if k is always greater than or equal to n, we can always choose the leftmost index or the rightmost index, and we are going to delete that element according to the question, and we are going to delete first k elements starting from I plus 1 index, and also we are going to delete first I minus 1 elements starting from index I minus 1 to the left of it. Note that if k is always greater than n, so either we are choosing the leftmost index or the rightmost index, it is obvious that we can delete all the elements of the array in one operation. So what I am going to do is, I am going to write answer in this case would, okay, would, sorry for the mistake, would be always 1. Okay, let me choose leftmost index or rightmost index. It is going to satisfy that also. So what would be our case 2? That is, okay, case 2, if k is going to be strictly less than n. So what I am going to do is this, note that in one operation, let me write maximum number of elements we can choose. What would be the maximum number of elements we can choose in one operation? Can you determine? Or let me say, maximum number of elements that we can choose is, that is current element 1 plus k elements to its right plus k elements to its left, that is going to become 2 into k, okay, 2 into k plus 1. So maximum number of elements we can choose in this case in for one operation is 2 into k plus 1. So what would be our answer in this case? That is minimum number of operations that we are going to apply to delete all the elements, to delete all the elements, minimum number of operations required will be, so our minimum number of operations would be required will be ceil value of division of total number of elements present in that, divide by 2 into k plus 1. So this would be our answer in this case, and we are going to take the ceil value of this operation, because if some elements are going to remain in this division, if we apply integer division, then we are going to take one more operation, so it is better to take a ceil value of this division to get the answer directly. So in this case we can choose, in one operation we can choose a maximum of 2 into k plus 1. So if k is less than n, so what would be our maximum number of operations to delete all the elements? That would be total number of elements divided by maximum number of elements we can choose in one operation, that is 2 into k plus 1. We are going to take the ceil value of this division. So let's move on to the code. So basically I have taken the test cases n and k. N is going to denote the number of elements and k is going to denote the arbitrary integer. That is, we are going to delete the first k elements to the left of the current index and also to the right of the current index. So if k is greater than equal to n, we can also observe, that is, it is also obvious that we can delete all the elements of the array in one operation. That is, either we can choose the leftmost index or the rightmost index. Okay. So also in if this condition doesn't hold, we are going to move to else condition, that is our numerator would be n and denominator would be 2 into k plus 1, that is maximum number of elements that we can choose in one operation. So this is going to do the ceil division, numerator plus denominator minus 1 divided by denominator. So I'm going to print the answer finally. Okay, so let me run this code and check out if it is giving the correct answer or not. Okay. Okay, here is a bingo. So the question is very simple. Tags associated with basic programming, basics of greedy algorithm. So if you have any doubts, if it exists, do mention in the comment section of the video. And I will ask the viewers to like this video, share this video, and join my Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the description section of the video. And subscribe to my YouTube channel for latest update. Thank you for watching this video.